Do you remember we had the tutorial on how to make these pieces with pearl? So simple, but very beautiful. And we have another earring tutorial in this video with wire and pearl. So let's go ahead and make one. For this tutorial, we need pearls, wire of about 18 and 24 gauges, main tools, round nose pliers, chain nose pliers, and wire cutter, and also hard hammer and its hard surface. A pen or pencil is needed also. If your round nose pliers is not as big as the size of your pearl, and the round shape that you choose should have an appropriate size as the diameter of your pearl or stone. First of all, pick up your 18 gauge wire and make it straight a little by pulling it, and cut about 10 centimeters on it. Then put your cylindrical shape pen or pencil at the middle of this 20 centimeter wire and then bend it. Till now we have a U shape, but we are going to make it like a teardrop. And this is the place where the pearl is going to be set. To make it like a teardrop and also to have straight parts at the end, we need to use our chain nose pliers to make two bends at both sides, just like this. And if needed, I'm going to make those parts more straight and fix the shape with my fingers. These straight parts are going to be shaped like a loop, and I need to make sure that these two parts are all straight, and I do that with my chain nose pliers, and I make them totally parallel, just like this. Then with my round nose pliers, and while I attach them together, and also while keeping them with my round nose pliers, I make them rounded, just like when I'm making a jump ring. I should make sure that these two are totally parallel and besides each other, and this is just like, it's interesting to know the main structure is just like the clasp that we had the tutorial on previous videos, and I leave the link above. And now I'm going to make this part hammered with the hard hammer, of course. So I put the piece on the hard surface, and with my metal hammer I start hammering it. This helps to have a patterned and flat area here. So I continue that till I achieve the pattern that I like, just like this. On the light, it would be so shiny and beautiful. So we have the main structure till now. And on the next step, we are going to attach the pearl to this teardrop. And I pick up the thinner wire of about 24 gauge, and I insert the pearl in, just like this, and about 1.5 centimeters on both sides is needed to make wire coils at both ends. So we are going to make a U shape just like this, and to turn it all around the teardrop structure, then I'm going to make it attached tight with pulling it with my round nose pliers and just making them tight and rotate that at the same time. Squeeze it if needed and then pull it and continue that for about 3 or 4 times for each wire coiling part at both sides. So I'm going to continue making a wire wrapping parts and squeeze them and to cut the end with flush cutter and then squeeze the end so that there wouldn't be any sharp edges left. I have made the first wire coiling part and I'm going to cut the other side and make another one just like the first one, and at the same number I'm going to make a wire coil. This is still now, and I'm going to make a jump ring and to attach to this part. So with my 18 gauge wire again and with my round nose pliers I make a jump ring. If you don't remember how to make one, just go to the link above. We have this jump ring and I'm going to open it up with my chain nose pliers and round nose pliers at both sides and perpendicular, and then open it up and insert it on the loop above of this earring and then close it just as I opened it. If needed, squeeze it a little and with your round nose pliers make sure that it's all closed. Just need a hook. With my round nose pliers I make a loop on my 18 gauge wire and I insert it in and make a U shape and then push it to have a teardrop shape, a bend at the end, and then cut the wire out. And this is the hook of our earring. I'm going to make the loop at the end of this wire hook and insert the jump ring in and then close it back just like I opened it. And now it's all ready. The wire earring. So simple, so beautiful, isn't it? Did you like this tutorial and are you going to make one? I would be happy to know about your opinions. Hope you had enjoyed this tutorial. Take care and bye-bye.